Hi everyone, welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions / wear test on one of the new, or somewhat new, Huda Beauty mini palettes. Now I have the one in Amethyst Obsessions, and shamefully, if you have been following us for a while, you will know that I can't stop getting purple eyeshadows. We are going to be doing an eyeshadow look featuring a purple eyeshadow palette. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, right before I dive into the tutorial, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing check-ins throughout this video just to show you how it's held up throughout my day. And today's a special day because I'm getting my hair cut, which means getting washed, and it's really going to be a test of durability for my eyeshadow. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to start my eye look, I'm actually going to do a different approach and take my bronzer as my crease shade because there are no crease colors in there that I like to use personally. Personally, I always like to start out with like a brown, really warm color. So I'm going to take my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer and, like I've said for this past minute, put it in my crease. So, since there are no names on this palette either, I'm just going to refer by column and row. Going into column 3, row 1, and I'm going to put that just below where I applied the bronzer to give it more depth and make it more colorful. So now I'm going to go into column 3, row 3, and I'm going to put that into my outer corner and blend it into about half of my lid. And then I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend the colors together. So next, I'm going to take the eyeshadow in row 2, column 2, and I'm going to apply that wet with a little bit of setting spray and apply that from about my inner corner to where I blended in that other shade that I just used, and then I will take a clean blending brush and blend those together as well. Next, I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to take the shade from the third column, second row, which is the more royal purple, and I'm going to apply that lightly underneath my lash line and blend it up into here so it kind of mixes in with the rest of the eyeshadow. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to take the shade from the third row, second column, and apply that as my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to wet it. And now just to lighten that up a little bit, I'm going to take the Ofra and Nikkietutorials highlighters, and I'm going to take the shade Space Baby, and I'm just going to try and lighten the inner corner up just a little bit. So for mascara, today I'm going to take the Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Tinted Lash Primer in the shade Black and prime my lashes for my mascara. And then for my mascara, I'm going to take the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Waterproof Mascara in black. Okay everyone, so that was the eyeshadow look. Now so far I am pretty pleased with this mini palette. I love all of these shades in here as well as the packaging. However, I'm not so thrilled with the fact that they don't have a crease color that I like, which is like a brown or like a tan, something of that type of realm. I'm a little disappointed that they don't have that, but otherwise I am very pleased. The eyeshadows apply beautifully, blend in nicely, and overall I'm really happy with this look. So in a few hours I will check in with you guys to see how it has been holding up. Okay everyone, So at this point, we are about 7 hours in to having the eyeshadow on, and I think it looks great. Now I have gotten my hair cut and curled, obviously, and it held up through all the water splashing around and my face getting a little wet. So yeah, it looks great so far, and I will see you guys in about 3 hours. Okay everyone, so it is the end of the day, and I have officially worn this makeup for almost 10 hours, and it looks really good. So it hasn't worn off that much, but in my crease it has worn off just a tiny bit, but otherwise this is a great eyeshadow palette. And now on to the end of the video. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe by clicking the little bell down below and the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week. One on Mondays, which is a MomNMe day, and on Thursdays, which is either Team Take or Mom Moment. Be sure to comment down below what you thought of this, and if you are thinking about buying this palette, or if you have it, and what your thoughts are. Be sure to share this video with your friends if you think they would benefit or enjoy it. Remember to follow us on social media, and all of that information will be located here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time in our next MomNMe video. Bye everyone!